Finally found an UltraBoost. This is what I've been looking for. But is it the size I need? That's the question. What's going on, Cool Kicks YouTube channel? Let's go. Huge men's shoe section. Man, I need to find something, dude. All right, we are looking around. Some Adizero football cleats, American football cleats. 20 bucks for these bad boys. These are size 10. Lugs boots right there. Some Manoa boots right here, size 8.5. 60 for those bad boys. Do got some superstars right here in the size 9 section. These are size 20. Holy cow, size 20s. UF Interiors down to $16. They keep getting marked down. And more Donovan Mitchell issue 4s. The issue 5s just got released. Yeah, size 6.5. These are about 35. No, these have been 30, like I said. Never seen these Crocs before. These are the ones with no holes. Have they been making a bunch of those lately? 20 bucks for those. Top 10s right here with some tumbled leather right there. That's interesting. This is size 9. I'm in the size 10 section. These are size 9. $40 for those. Oh, got like some alligator skin right there. Okay. Fake alligator skin. I don't want any PETA people to be tripping out, because I'm pretty sure Adidas don't make nothing with like alligators and stuff like that. $30 for these bad boys right here. These are size 10 of the skate highs. Look at how full their shelves are. Their shelves are full as hell. Men's size, it goes from all over there to here. Also got a back wall and not really finding much. What the hell, dude? Got some SB Blazers. I think Hustler had just picked one of these up. He had a 50% off situation over there at the grand opening. Blazer mids, size 13, 50 bucks for these bad boys. Then Big Feet Gang right here. What size are these? Size 14, so that's actually not too bad. $40 for these Hardens. Look like a Miami Dolphins colorway. Got some Superstars. Size 19, going for $8.19. Holy cow. Another size 19 right here, go for 16. And some LeBrons right here in a size 18 down to $27. Both of these are size 18. Size 16 of the Gil Resto mods right here, the Gil Zeros. These are pretty fire, dude. I do have this colorway right here. It says vote for Gilbert. Is this the one that I have? I don't know. Are these different? I don't know. Size 16. These look different than the ones I have at home. I think these are slightly different. Never mind. I do have a black and gold one, but I don't think the color blocking is exactly the same. But yeah, I don't see a price tag. Oh wait, 35. Never mind. 35 bucks. I finally found some UltraBoost. I get to find out what size they are. Size 13. They are going for $50. Did finally find UltraBoost. I've been looking forever and finally found one. It is a size 13, not a size that I really need. Dang it. I was hoping for 8.5, 10, something like that, but nope, too much to ask for. More heat for Big Feet Gang right here. Breast cancer awareness colorway, size 14 of the Hardens, going for $40. All right, active clothing section. Let's see what's up here. We got more of these, the SB Nike hoodies. This one comes with genuine coffee stains on them. Yeah, we've been finding a bunch of these. This is a medium and $22. Not a bad price. Team Apparel right here. And it's like U brand, kind of the generic one. This is kind of dope though. Look at this. Look at this. Has a nice little Bulls logo. It's like made out of rubber, which is kind of dope. And color blocking, not too bad. $25 for these. Size XL. See, this is Jordan brand. Just talked about it recently, how their UCLA is a Jordan brand school instead of Nike. Oh, that has a Nike sign on it. That's interesting. A Nike sign and a Jordan sign. That's interesting. $68 down to $17. This is just a regular sweatshirt. It is an XL, not bad. Fanatics brand XL hoodie right here. If you're into hockey, Las Vegas team right there, 20 bucks. Got this one right here. Oh, it's the same thing. Another UCLA dry fit. This is huge, triple XL. This is a Nike, so one of their older ones. 17 bucks, 17 bucks. Clipper shirt right here. This is a lot. Oh, it's a medium. Okay, yeah, it is a medium. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. 47 brand. Pretty solid stuff. Nike corduroy pants. They're normally $80. Oh, this is a women's. It's in the men's section though. But yeah, it's a women's $80 pair going for $25. I've just never seen that Nike Air Swisher in corduroy. Does have elastic on the bottom. That's interesting. I've never seen those before. Checking out the women's section. Look at this NMDs. And we're actually seeing better prices now. Look at that. $45. We've been seeing these for $60 at most spots. Got a little bit of dirt on them. But if it's for you, you can just clean that up real quick. Solid find. What is these top 10s right here? $40 for these in the women's. Then of course there has to be a Grant Hill 2 that I've never seen before. They always have like so many different colorways now. $27 for these in the women's. Right next door in West Hills, I'm at the Fallbrook Mall. Let's go. Hearing alarms everywhere already. Look at this, more new era beanies right here. These are the ones with the nice lining right here. Look at this, $13 for the Packers, and then the Saints right here, $13 for the Saints. Normally $34. That's nice. That's nice. Just random find. Is it that one? Is that one? I don't know. But the Ross Birds are already singing. Got some of these boots. I don't know what the name of these boots are. I thought these are women's. I don't know. But yeah, $50 for these Nike boots right here. Oh, my bad. It's that one. Shut up, fool. Shut up. I just saw one of the workers take the item. They can't even just like turn off the alarm right there. They have to take it to the counter. Man, such a dumb system. $37 for these bad boys right here. These are size 4 though. God dang. Another one of these faux leather chucks right here, going for $30. Got some overloading issues going on right there. Don't see that too often. And got some Vans right here with cork insole. That's interesting. I don't see a tag. These have been, what, 35? These are huge size too. Size 12. More of these. 64 for some Brooks Ghost right here. Size 11. Grant Hills in a colorway I've never seen before. $30. Size, what's that, 12 and a half, 13? And then some half cabs. You don't see these too often. These are some Vans right here. Extra hairy. Extra long hair. $37. Then, speaking of, haven't seen in a while. Look at these. Got some Kyrie Infinities. These are huge size. Huge. In price, there's no way this should still go for $60. No way. Got some Cowboys getting the apparel. This is just regular team apparel, $10. And then got Nike right behind it. Nike dry fit. These are small though. $40 down to $13. More Project Rock making its way. These are smaller. These are medium. These are small. Normally $80 down to $17. And it's a vest with the zipper. Kind of interesting. Nike dry fit running shirt going for $20. This is Nike Pro, normally $35. It's a men's tall. Hoka jacket. This is a small right here. Never see Hoka gear. I think it's only the second or third time I've seen them. Yeah, this is going for $40. Hoka usually not cheap. I don't see a sales tag. I was kind of curious. Oh, this is extra small. That's why that's here. Okay, $40. Do got a Falcons beanie right here in the hat section. This is a new era, $13 for those. Nike beanie right here. I think it's for kids, right? Yeah, it's for kids. Comes with tiny little mittens. $10 for those. Another Nike set right here, all black. Go for $10. Damn, I was hoping for Niners, Lakers beanies. Not really. I I saw some at Foot Locker a while back, the Lakers ones. Maybe I'll see if they have any leftovers from last year. That's what I'll do. Am I in Reseda? Winnetka? I don't know. I'm in the valley. Let's go. I do see some beanies here. This is the nice one. Got Seahawks right here. This is the nice lined one. These are what, $13? Got some cheaper Chiefs ones. This is still New Era, but no lining and just quality not as nice. Why is this 15 though? These are more expensive. That's interesting. Got Patriots one here, going for $13. Got a Buccaneers one that we saw earlier. And then a Bulls one. This is a U brand, but this is still nice though. Still nice. It is embroidered on and stuff. That's dope. Checking the sneakers. Do got... Oh, it says All Valley Karate Tournament. That's actually funny. They do got these. We've been seeing these here and there. The Cobra Kai Vans right here. I think these were 30 something. These some glides? Like the Glide... I don't know, Glide 15s or something? $70 for those. Sauconys right there. Rarely ever see nice Sauconys. I thought these were some Dunk Highs. Got some New Balance 440s. Definitely never seen these. These are going for $43. Seeing a lot of variety, which is fire. I've already bought a couple of these already. Size 9. These are $10. I think I bought 3 or 4 of these already this season. Maybe more. Then for the bigger sizes, what's size 12? 11, $40 for Superstars. Another one right here. This is Big Feet Gang territory right here. Size 19, $28 for those. And what are these? What are these? Tentacumpo. These are the budget ones. Immortalities going for 50, size 18. Nike running gear. This is an XL. $25. I don't see any original tags on it though, but yeah, these are hella nice. That's hella nice. Another Nike, oh, this is swim. Nike swim t-shirt, 54 down to 20. All right, I gotta go to UPS real quick. We'll hit up another spot later. Last stop for this video, Porter Ranch. Right to the sneakers. Good timing, good timing. I'm seeing a restock. Not really seeing anything super fire though. Not in the restock at least. Dude got some TNT just chilling right here. This is fire, $4. Normally 13. And then also dude got a Baby Yoda right here. Wonder if I should get this for, that's $13. Wonder if I should get this for one of the nephews. Yeah, my sister, my brother-in-law and them fools are big fans of Star Wars. Thinking about it. $13. Do see these right here. Are these the Manoas? Yeah, got some Manoas right here going for $60. It's like a size 11. Oh, these are size 10. D Rose. These are size 11 and a half. We've been seeing these marked down here and there. 40 for these. Size 13 right here. Got some football cleats. These are going for $20. I don't know what kind they are. Got Grant Hills, we've seen a million of these. Got some T-Max. These are T-Mac 1s, I believe. $35 for those bad boys. This is a bigger size, that's 12 or something. Adidas baseball cleats. I don't know nothing about those. Go for $20. I think it's like a size 12 or something because I'm in the size 12. Yeah, this is 12. Lugs, that's what they were known for way back when. They were known for this type of stuff. $30. Got some T-Mac. Are these the T-Mac 2s? I believe these are the T-Mac 2s. Don't know what size yet. $35 for these. This one's pretty nice, dude. Got the tumbled, like, textured leather up front. Patent leather on the inside right there. Yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad, dude. Size 9.5, $35. Camel Crocs with no holes on it. Also different bottom. These just got restocked. I saw that lady bring these up. $25 for those. Then last sneaker here. Or the last sneaker that's interesting. Size 6. Yeah, size 6. These are the Grant Hill 2s. Knicks colorway. This is super fire. $26. I'm telling you, the suede on this feels so amazing. In the active section right here, I'm in the size medium, but they do have this 47 brand a Lakers shirt right here. Not too bad. Normally $28 down to $10. Pretty decent. 47 brands, not too bad. Quality is not the greatest, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's better than a lot of the house brands. Not as nice as like the New Era and stuff, but still not bad. Not as nice as Mitchell and S. But yeah, but not seeing much else here though, to be really honest, especially in the active brand. Especially in the active section. Not much. Nike hoodie right here in the XL size right here. ThermaFit. 25 bucks. So USC long sleeve XL. Normally 35 bucks. These bad boys down to 13. And then I think this is the SB. Yeah, this is the SB hoodie right here. $35 down to 65 down to $22. Not bad. UCLA Nike long sleeve shirt. This must be an older one because I think UCLA is a Jordan brand now. But yeah, normally $40. Do got these for 13 bucks. Not bad. Not bad if you're a size medium. I'm checking the jacket section. Don't have any like really good sports gear. Do have a nice Tommy Hilfiger jacket. Look at this. Normally $225 down to $70. That is nice. Nice little poofy jacket. Before we wrap things up, I'm gonna look at some of the snacks. I've seen snacks here lately that I've never seen, like Payday and that type of stuff. I've never seen this type of stuff here. Like Snickers right here too. I've never seen these here. Yeah, these are going for $4.49. Normally $5. Like it's not even a deal. They got Dove, little mini Dove, molten lava things. These look good as hell. But yeah, $5. Normally $5.50. Not even a good deal. When you see all these major name brands here. Whoa, that looks interesting. Look at this. Cookie Pop. The hell? Oreos with popcorn? That looks ridiculous. That looks really good. I'm trying to cut down on stuff I eat, but that looks really good. So does this right here. Belgian chocolate cookie bars. Oh my goodness. I remember eating these cookies. I don't remember there being chocolate on it. That's actually really good. Pop-Tarts. They got Pop-Tarts here? What the hell? What am I, like CVS or something? What the hell? $2.29 normally. $2.79. Kind of weird seeing that type of stuff here. Used to seeing like random stuff like this. Like in the Chupa Chups. These $3.29. That Baby Shark right here. Anybody with kids knows that song. Yeah, see, I'm used to stuff like this, like the wafers and stuff. I'm used to seeing that here. And then coffee too. They do have deals on coffee. I don't really drink coffee, but thought I'd share it with you guys. Usually pretty decent deals. $13.50, and these are $9. It does expire in a couple months though, but still got a couple months. Then also the Pockies, of course. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. This is one of the huge Burlingtons. But yeah, we're done. Make sure you guys help boy up. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe. And if you guys really want to support the channel, make sure you guys check out the membership program. Just so your boy doesn't go broke from all this gas and stuff. We're out. We're out, you guys. See ya.